Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy mango mint lemon milkshake but without dairy milk or refined sugar. A super healthy and nourishing summer coolant, a perfect guilt-free milkshake to beat the summer heat. This recipe is 100% plant-based using natural ingredients and can be enjoyed by those with health issues like PCOS and thyroid. Always remember that making small changes in your diet will help to manage your health issues. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm using one whole fresh mango in this recipe. Now instead of milk in this milkshake, I'm using 10 soaked cashew nuts which I have soaked for about an hour. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use soaked and peeled almonds, or you can use cashew milk or almond milk. I have already shared how to make cashew milk and almond milk at home. Links will be updated below this video. Also, feel free to choose any nut of your choice to make this healthy, protein-rich, dairy-free milkshake. Now into my high-speed blender, I'm adding in 2 glasses of matkha water. Now matkha naturally helps to cool water, so during the summers it is highly recommended that you use matkha water, and this is the glass with which I measured the water. Add in 10 soaked cashew nuts. Note that I'm using a high-speed 1300 watt blender, hence the cashew nuts will really blend well with the rest of the ingredients. Add in a handful of organic garden fresh mint leaves. Add in the sliced mangoes. Now for the lemon flavor, I'm using organic lemon squash. Add in 2 tablespoons lemon squash, or you can use juice of 1 lemon instead. For added sweetness, I'm using 1 tablespoon liquid jaggery. Now since the mangoes are really sweet, 1 tablespoon is enough. Feel free to increase or decrease sweetness to suit your taste. Note that this is not a sponsored video. I really like the product and hence sharing with you. You can also use locally sourced jaggery powder or coconut sugar instead as sweetener. You may have noticed that I use liquid jaggery often in my recipes, especially in my previous recipes like in the granola recipe for instance. Well, the taste is similar and the only difference I noticed is that it is more liquid in form than the liquid jaggery which I have used previously in my recipes. Now blend all this really well and pour it into a serving glass. Garnish with a sprig of mint leaves and drizzle a teaspoon of liquid jaggery. And if you like it chilled, you can refrigerate and serve. Enjoy this healthy dairy-free vegan milkshake and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.